from a tactical positioning perspective, thoughts on week 43 are US dollar strength has been quite robust. 3 consecutive weeks up, over 3.4% over that period. Last streak that took us to a 3.4% move up was actually a 5-week streak. So definitely the dollar is feeling very hot and very kind of overbought, at least in the very, very near term. So we'd favor a little bit of a backstep in the US dollar, favoring longs in Aussie, Kiwi, as well as kind of EM, FX, and high yielding currencies. We do still feel that, if you have to be long dollars, the favored kind of crosses we'd be short would be stuff like the Sing dollar, stuff like the Swiss franc. We like gold. We think gold and precious metals are consolidating and trying to find a bottom here, whether that's expressed through the underlying directly or things like the ETF GDX or GDXJ or some of the single stock names. We feel this is an interesting kind of point. Obviously, a lot of these companies are going to be reporting their earnings this and next week, so that's also interesting. I think on the equity side, we're starting to feel that Eurozone equities are a little bit overheated, especially the peripherals, and I actually put out a SaxoStrats idea where we're looking to build downside protection going long puts, particularly on the FTSE MIB, which is the Italian equity index. So we already have about 1.5% risk on December 16th expiry, 17,000 strike puts on the FTSE MIB, and are actually targeting to do the second clip, so another 1.5% of risk at around that 17,500 kind of level. Again, this is based off of the thesis of all the political risk we're going to have in Europe, which is basically going to be December 4th, Italian referendum vote, of course December 8th, where the ECB has promised that they're going to move, so it's a question of what if they disappoint and how much is actually priced in by that point. And of course the beauty of this trade and the idea behind that, which obviously can also be expressed through the Euro stocks to the DAX, but by having a December 16th expiry on long put position, you also get 2 Fed elections, should I say meetings, 2 BOJ meetings, and of course the US election. And again, it's kind of from the view that the market's just a little bit too kind of complacent. So we like that, and wishing everyone very, very favorable week up ahead. Stay safe and stay profitable. Thank you.